Resting on a cul-de-sac in an established neighborhood, walking distance to elementary schools and parks, is this updated split-level home with boat or RV parking. Beyond the double garage, you're welcomed into an elegant foyer decorated with paneled wainscoting with views to the back of the home. The living room is spacious and inviting, with richly toned floors and a toasty fireplace to add warmth and ambiance to any gathering. You'll appreciate that many of the big budget upgrades have been completed, such as boiler, hot water tank, vinyl windows, and R50 insulation. To the other side of the living room is a fantastic dining room with plenty of space for sharing family meals or hosting dinner parties. Just beyond is the newly renovated cook's kitchen, where the supply of storage and prep space, including a granite island, is seemingly endless. An induction cooktop highlights the array of stainless steel appliances, while the nearby laundry room adds convenience galore. The hub of the home is sure to be the fireplace-attired family room, which provides easy access to the enormous backyard through sliders. Nearly 2,700 square feet includes 3 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms, including a huge master retreat featuring balcony access and an ensuite. The home sits on a sweeping more than 8,800 square foot site with a private backyard oasis. Schedule your private showing today.